Okay, good morning. This is Tuesday, the 24th, March 24th, Red Book lesson. So we've been doing fractions. Now we're going to do lowest terms today. What is the lowest term? So we're breaking it down even further. So fraction in its lowest terms is the numerator, the top number, and the denominator, the bottom number, have no common factor and other than 1. So for example, they give the example 8 over 9. In its lowest terms, since 1 is the only common factor, you cannot go any further, and that's the lowest terms, meaning nothing can be divided evenly into the top number or the bottom number. Now they give you another example, the fraction 12 over 15, 12/15. It's not in its lowest terms. We can break this down even further, and what numbers go into this? 1, of course, goes into each of them. And the top number 2 times 6 would give you 12, or 3 times 4 would give you 12. Down here we have 1 in common, and we also have 3 in common. 3 times 5 will give you 15. So 3 we're going to use. You can divide 3 into the top number and 3 into the bottom number. So you would get, if you have 15 over 13, let's do it right here, 15, no, I'm sorry, it was 13 over 15, right? What was that? I'm sorry, 12 over 15. I'm very sorry. So we have 12 over 15, which means we can divide, we said, 3 into each number evenly. So 3 times what will give us 12? We said 3 times 4 will give us 12. 3 times what will give us 15? 3 times 5 will give us 15. Now there's no other numbers besides 1 that can go evenly into both of these numbers. So this is our lowest terms. Okay. Again, here's one, 16 over 18. 1 can go into both of these. 2 can be divided evenly into both of these. Then the top number goes to 4, 8, and 16. The bottom number is 3, 6, 9, and 18. So which ones do they have in common? They have the 2 right here. So let me get it right this time. It's 16 over 18. Very sloppy, I'm sorry. Okay, so we said 2 can go evenly into both of these. So 2 times what will give us 16? 2 times 8. And 2 times what will give us 18? 2 times 9. Okay, so now this is our lowest terms. Nothing else besides 1 could go into those 2. So right here, when they say list the common factors of 15, they want to know, 1, what can 2 go evenly? 2 times something give you 15? No. Can 3? Yes, 3 times 5 could give you 15, so 3 would be a factor. So what I want you to do today, I want you to go down to page 15. Remember, it's these purple numbers. I'm sorry. It starts on page 16. Exercise 1.3. So I want you to list the 2 factors, list the factors of 8. Remember, 1 could go into 8. 1 times 8 will give you 8. 2 times what will give you 8? So 2 can go into it. 3, can 3 times something give you 8? No, so you don't list 3. Go on to 4. 4 times what will give you 8? Okay, the same with 12. Okay, and then put the fraction lowest terms. We could do this. Which one of those factors that they had in common can we divide evenly into both of these? The same thing, list the factors of 15, list the factors of 28, and then separate it. So if I go back to this, let me get rid of some of this. And our number was 15 over 28. Okay, it said list the common factors of 15. So what do we have? We have 1. Can 2 go into that? No. 2 times nothing will give us 15. 3, we have 3 times 5 will give us 15. 4 times nothing will give us 15. 5 times 3 will give you 15. 6 times nothing will give you 15. So let's buy the bottom number, 28. So 1, yes, we'll go into it. Okay, what about 3? Nope, 3 will not go into it. What about 4? Could 4 go into 28? Yes. So we could put 4. 5, no. And you would go so on and so on. And then you would get whatever number you find common, would divide in both of these. Okay, and you're going to continue to do that on page 17.